everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Time Design Team project. Today I am using the Holiday Bear Hugs ephemera from our last release. I'm also using the 2mm halfback pearls, and they're really tiny, so you can hardly see them in here, but that's what I use. I'm also using Frosty Kisses stamp and dies, and I forgot what sentiments I'm using, but I used 3 of them from there. Also the 2x2 note card set, and I'm using these right here. And then I'm also using the 'Tis the Season 2026 paper pad. And here they are just so adorable. I did also add on my little characters there. This is what I use. I used the coarse glitter from Martha Stewart, and it's getting low, so I've had this for years. But anyways, I love adding it on my little characters there. And let me show you these cute little adorable cards. Aren't they just the cutest? And then I also added little present back there. And then I also used the, oh my gosh, I didn't show you those. I used her, let me grab that real quick. I also used this poinsettia die. And she has a lot of different sizes on there. So I was able to get a little bitty tiny one and make that. Look at that. And then I also added the little pearl in the inside, and it is just the cutest. Love that. Look at the little guy with the reindeer. And then this is how I did the inside. This one says warm and fuzzy hugs. And then we have this one here, and then I put the poinsettia there, the little present there. He's hugging another little reindeer. And then this one says, thinking of you this holiday season. Really cute. And then this one here. And then this one has that little bitty cardinal sitting on top. This one's probably the cutest to me. And then I did another little poinsettia and another present on the other side. Just a cute little thing. And this one says winter cheer. These are just adorable, and they go together so quick. And so that's all I have for you. Make sure you use those links down below to visit some of the other designers. Go to My Creative Time store and visit her channel as well. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.